Revlon is introducing their new ColorStay Skin Awaken 5-in-1 Concealer. This concealer will erase, perfect, brighten, hydrate, and refresh the skin. It's a lightweight, multitasking concealer infused with caffeine and vitamin C to visibly awaken the skin. 24-hour wear, transfer-proof, hides imperfections, dark circles, redness, while camouflaging puffiness and brightening the skin. It has an antibacterial sponge tip applicator for targeted application to prevent bacteria buildup, and it's available in 19 lasting shades and 1 universal brightener. Today I'm using the shade Deep. It is number 60, and I think it's the perfect shade for my under eye area. I use a sponge tip applicator to apply the product. Then I gently pat the concealer in under my eyes with my finger. The concealer gives great coverage and perfects while still looking very, very natural. I love how it brightens the look of my under eyes, keeping them looking fresh and awake. I also love how it's transfer proof and will stay in place for 24 hours. I can smile, laugh, make my crazy facial expressions, and it doesn't crease or crack or age me at all. In fact, I think it makes me look more youthful thanks to the great formula. Just check out the before and after and you can see for yourself. In the before, my under eyes were dark and dehydrated, and in the after, I look well rested and refreshed. It's perfect. If you're curious about the new Revlon ColorStay Skin Awaken 5-in-1 Concealer, make sure to visit revlon.com or check out the description for more info plus a link to shop.